At sunrise in Gokul, Krishna played a single note on his beloved flute.
And suddenly, the entire world froze.
Then golden music burst from the flute and raced across Gokul.
Krishna discovered that every note created a different kind of magic.
But the magic became stronger, and Gokul became beautifully chaotic.
Krishna decided to master the magical flute.
For a moment, Krishna found the perfect rhythm. Everyone began moving together.
But then, one enormous note exploded into the sky. The music formed a giant magical spiral above Gokul.
The magic began pulling everyone apart.
Krishna tried to stop it with another melody, but the magic only grew stronger.
Then Krishna understood. The flute did not listen to strength. It listened to the feeling inside the music.
Krishna remembered every moment when the people of Gokul were happiest, together.
The magical storm became a golden circle, bringing everyone back together.
Krishna discovered the greatest magic of all. The flute was not meant to control the world, but to bring hearts together.